First off, hello and welcome to the Greg K6EGG vlog channel. Actually, it's going to be on the regular channel here for a little bit. I'm just going to kind of document how, I don't know, like setting up for POTA, getting ready. A lot of people just go do the POTA and just do it, and that's it. Well, there's a little bit of prep involved, just a little bit, especially for myself. I'm doing a live stream. I have an 891 that, make sure I don't dox myself in my tag here. I have an 891. Oh, look at that. And then K6FU. By the way, ham radio tube was the first sticker I put on there. So Mike, if you're watching this, so I got my Messi and Poloni cable right here. Reason why I'm showing this, it's a mess in my world, because I pack equipment for a living. I don't like the way this is set up, but I've been like super busy with work. Yes, I'm wearing socks and sandals, but I want to get the battery charged. I don't draw down the battery all the way, and I don't keep it charged all the way, mainly for safety reasons. And this, yes, is a sauna, an infrared sauna. I love this thing. I was in it a couple hours ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this baby in, and it should have a green light on it when it's done, or not plugged in. So let me, yes, that's socks and sandals. Let me plug this in. Red light appeared. I'm guessing that's gonna probably take, I don't know, an hour or so to get charged. Anyways, I got the 891 in there. I have a speaker. Have some stickers in case I run across any other ham radio operators. When I'm doing a POTA, I'll give out. I keep some little index cards with a Sharpie with me, just in case I need to make some notes. Got the speaker, got some extra cable, got the Messi and Poloni cable here. Hope I said that right. Hope I said that right. I keep on thinking Nancy and Pelosi cable, but it's really not. So, show you something else. This is the Starlink kit. If you notice, there's no Starlink in it. And the reason being is I'm going to take you outside here and show you what's going on with that. So what I normally do, I haven't used this, I think the last time I used the, let me see here. That's funny. The last time I used the, you see that? The last time I used the Starlink was with John there over in Las Vegas, over at Red Rock Park. Isn't that strange how that works out? So John, if you're watching, I'll get back to your text here in a second. So what I do is I set this baby out. Usually if I have time, at some point before I go do my live stream at the park or somewhere where there's no cell phone service, where hopefully I'm going tomorrow, Chino Hill State Park, the weather will be good enough for me to drive into where I need to go. Anyways, the reason why I'm saying this is it's been told to me that I need to make sure that the software is up to date often. So I update the software here, make sure everything's working, turned on the service from standby mode. It has basically like a low mode. Great service for if you need it in pinch. But anyways, I just have it plugged into the regular wall outlet, and I'm going to show you this real quick. So just going to make sure the alignment's correct. Now watch. Let's see if I can do this both at the same time. Let's go back to alignment. You can see the alignment there. If I just barely move it, it falls out. I mean, that's just a little bit, and you'll see it light up there. And it also has an access. We'll pop in and out, and you can actually move this to see how good you're connected. But fairly decent connection there. If I go to my speed test, let's take a look. This is literally right next to the dish. Not too bad today. It is a little bit cloudy. when I first bought this, I wasn't that the most I'd get is like 100 down and maybe, I don't know, 20 up at most. So not that bad. So I got all that stuff going. We'll see how it works tomorrow. All right, it's January 24th, 2026. It's Winter Field Day today. Although I'll be doing a POTA. I'll be participating in Winter Field Day, but I'll be doing more of a POTA thing. I'm gonna take the opportunity to try to make a bunch of contacts out there. I know it's cold out in the Midwest, but I hope they get after it. So just double checking I got everything. Obviously you don't see my battery in here because I was charging it just fine. Throw that back up there. Put that in there. I know it's a little bit messy and I'm trying to do this with one hand. Got everything, radio, speakers, extra cables, Sharpie and everything in there. Nancy, or Messy and Poloni cable. Ooh, don't want to close it on there. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. I don't know how these guys do it. Starlink dish for the live stream, and I got the antenna. All right, I got the Starlink. I got a table. It's way too big. Got a chair. I don't think anybody else is meeting me there. I hope not. Well, people come, I don't care. Got the UHF VHF. I got radio antenna in there. Computer and for the live stream, and the extra batteries and everything for this thingamajig. And I think I'm gonna get on the road. What do you guys think? All right, so on my way to Chino Hill State Park. It's only about 5 miles away from my house. I know I live in the city of Chino, but my address according to QRZ and the FCC database is Chino Hills. Which I got to stop by my P.O. box and pick up some stuff. So I'm on what they call, or it's not what they call, it's what it is. It's Central Avenue, just passing Ayala Park. Should be there 10 minutes or so. Just a little over 3 miles away at this point. So it's Saturday morning. I'm in Chino Hills. Probably shouldn't have went across right there. And I'm stuck in road construction. I cannot get away from traffic. It's 10 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. I ain't got time for this. I've been sitting here for now 20 minutes. So I'm pulling up to Chino Hills State Park, and this place is a freaking madhouse. It's like pulling into Dodger Stadium for like Shohei Ohtani like pitching. I've never seen so many cars on this road. They're too cheap to pay for oh, I gotta make sure I have my pass. It's the Poppy Pass. Come on, you can go. I just sat here for 20 minutes. I'm going all the way in. Oh my goodness gracious. There is a line of cars trying to get in. Really? I may not be able to do this. I've never seen so many people in here. All trails closed, stay on pavement. It's been 48 hours. This is what I was talking about on the live stream last night. A lot of people here today. Oh my goodness. It's packed today.
And the trails are closed.
I know.
We're still here.
I know. I'll be at the horse stables.
All right.
All right. See ya. Same guy I always see here. Very nice guy. I probably recognize the car. I don't know him by name. I wonder if there's any more ham radio operators up here. It might take forever to get to where I need to go. So right now it's 10:17. All right, I've arrived at Chino Hills State Park. First thing I do when I get here is I want to go to, oh, it's charging. Keep accessories powered on even while I exit the video. The other thing I want to do, there we go, camping mode. So I want to be in camping mode. All right, I was going to use my table I brought, but I don't think I am now. I got this nice table here. It's a little bit on the windy side, but we'll deal with it. All right, let me get set up. All right, so far I got the Starlink going, I got internet going, got most of the table set up. Although I probably should have just brought my own table out here, but whatever. I'm gonna go get the antenna set up and I should be good to go. All right, pretty standard POTA video. You know, I'm not gonna get too into it. I got the laptop and everything, all my accessories. I got some drinks, so I'll be having a Red Bull here shortly. I got the antenna here, the MC750. Got her tuned to 10 meters. 10 meters right now. A little bit windy, and I would say low 50s today here at Chino Hills State Park. I got the satellite dish going here on the car. I got the fire going in the fire pit there and inside. Not bad, huh? Beautiful day here at Chino Hills State Park for January. I mean, California standards, you know, it should be in the 70s, but hey, look at all the greenery. We had a bunch of rain the last couple months, so it is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna get the live stream going. I might record someone on live stream just to show you guys some stuff here, but I'm gonna get all that stuff going and get on the air here shortly. So see you soon on the live stream. So this is for the video here. I'm midway through. I just made my 100th contact. I don't know if you can see on the screen there. I got the YouTube thing going right now. Live stream, I guess you can call it. Got some great people in the oh, hey, nice to see you in there. I'm making a YouTube video on top of it. Great to hear you in there. VK2IZ. Dude, we had, if you roll back, I don't know, 10 minutes or whenever we made that contact, credible signal. Like you were sitting in the park with me. In fact, I was bragging about it. I was making a contact with you down there. It's 7,000 miles away. So pretty good stuff. I'm going to get on 10 meters. Maybe I can meet you there. That's a wrap from Chino Hills State Park. Just going to clean up. Some people ran over my ground radios here. And not that big of a deal, but there's like plenty of other like areas to drive and assholes. Anyways, so in the live stream, somebody was drove by and commented that if I can ticket everybody that's breaking the rules. I mentioned in the live stream that Chino Hills State Park, they don't like people to use the trails within 48 hours of rain. And we had rain here a day and a half ago, pretty nasty storm. And when the people are hiking up here, which they're doing, they actually can get banned for a year for being on the trail. They step into the wet mud and it creates, you know, like 2 inches of, it messes up the trails basically, right? So we have this soft clay above the decomposed granite, and it's just not very cool. There's plenty of other places to go in the park, and there's actually paved roads where you see some people driving over here. A lot of these people, that's the guy I talked to earlier, a lot of these people out here just enjoying the day. Like I said, beautiful day here in Southern California. Oh my goodness. You can't get any better than a day like this in January. So I appreciate everybody checking out the video of my POTA set up here at Chino Hill State Park. I got the Starlink here, worked really good. 2.5 hours of flawless live streaming here, and got the setup here, cell phone out and everything like that. So I appreciate everybody. Take care, and thanks for watching the little video put together.